she's having her first apple. She's been working on it for a while, and it was just too cute, so I had to take a picture. You can get it. Ooh, it's a slippery apple. Huh. Nope, you can't have the camera. You can't. She didn't have a nap this afternoon, so she's a little crazed. Huh. Yeah. It's about 4 o'clock on the 28th, yes, of January. You don't want your apple anymore? There we go. She just goes at it with her lower teeth. Yeah. Yeah. Nope. You can't have the camera.